Welcome guys, Andrew from IDB here. We're here with a new company called iCreation, and they're launching a new line of smart home accessories that works with Apple's HomeKit. To be fair, we've seen a lot of what iCreation has before. It's not super original stuff, just a lot of different things from one manufacturer. However, they do have a couple really unique products that we have not seen in the HomeKit marketplace thus far. They're only going to be launching with a couple of their entire lineup, but as they kind of get going, more and more products will start to hit the market. So let's go ahead and walk through their entire lineup of HomeKit accessories. Now, pretty much most of these are going to require a hub, which does mean it needs to be plugged into the wall, which is a little bit of a downside. But their first product is pretty much a standard that we see from many people. That is a smart home outlet. Swap out this outlet, easily control your outlets through HomeKit Siri, use your voice, turn the lights or fan, hairdryer, whatever you may have plugged in, on and off. We also have a smart home or a smoke detector. So attach this and you can easily get HomeKit alerts and activate scenes based on whether or not this detects smoke. Next up is a motion sensor, easily turn on and activate scenes based on entering a room. So you can have blinds go up, lights turn on, your AC adjust, whatever it may be whenever you go into a room. We have a water sensor, and while sensors like this are not super exciting, they can be really beneficial to triggering other aspects of your smart home. Similar to the water sensor, we have the temperature sensor, giving you a good read on the temperature in a specific room. Good if you have a spot that needs to be closely monitored, like a humidor, a greenhouse, something like that, where you really want to keep an eye on the temperature in that room. We have a door and window sensor, basically a contact sensor here that is exceptionally difficult to handle in one hand, but basically just allows you to know when a door or window is opened as well as closed. Do things like turn the lights on when you open the door when you get home. We also have a carbon monoxide sensor. So there are two different sensors, one a carbon monoxide sensor, and we previously looked at the smoke detector. They tend to want to be placed in different locations. Now these are some of my favorite HomeKit products that we've seen so far, and it's actually a smart lock, a biometric lock, unlock it with your fingerprint, but it also will support HomeKit. So you can ask Siri to unlock this if you are not there, so you need to let somebody else into the lock. You're able to do that remotely, and there's two different versions. There's that heavier all metal version, then there's this slightly slimmer version which is actually partially plastic as well as metal for the main core. As I mentioned, a lot of these accessories are going to require that hub to connect. Probably like the sensors and stuff are really going to need to go through here. So if you're looking for a hubless solution, this probably is not it, but it does make everything work together pretty seamlessly. iCreation is looking really nice, and I'm excited to go hands-on with these products when they finally start launching. A couple of them are already ready to go, like the smart outlet, definitely ready, and I believe some of their switches all set to go. So hopefully we'll see those hitting the market soon. We can go ahead, hands-on, test them out, and see how they compare to the already pretty established lineup of other HomeKit accessories already on the market. So let us know what you guys think of this down below in the comments. Go ahead and subscribe. Till next time, it's Andrew for IDB.